I want to go to Ashutosh Srivastav. Ashutosh Srivastav, is a detailed probe now needed, or should the matter rest? And who should probe these charges and counter charges?
See, I would say that obviously the allegations from both the sides are very serious in a democratic country, and I think the people have the right to know as to what is the issue, why such allegations have been made. And when these allegations are made, obviously there has to be a very strong supportive evidence also. So whoever is alleging whatever of the other party, and that is very important. So that has to be seen as to what is the prima facie evidence which says that such kind of the crime or the incidents has taken place. Now they say that the property has been purchased from a criminal or from a person who was undergoing through the TADA prosecution. Now the TADA was like repealed in 2004. So when this property was purchased, whether it was after 2004, before 2004, and on what basis, whether the person who sold the property through his power of attorney holder, was he under arrest by the time, or whether the property was also to be attached by the authorities, and whether the authorities have also done something to this respect, then what was the valuation of the property that time, and the property was sold for what value? Was there any role of saving huge taxes, or maybe saving the properties also which could have belonged to the government? There are so many things, and whether all these allegations are baseless, so everything has to be seen. So obviously if there is prima facie evidence which says that there is something wrong, then a probe is required in that case. But if there is no prima facie evidence, I don't think any authorities will probe unnecessarily, or the court will allow. It may also go to the court as well. It may go to the High Court also, maybe to the Supreme Court also, with all the relevant documents. If the authorities, they don't feel that any probe should be done, then in that case the court may interfere and say whether the investigation is required by independent agencies like CBI, CID, or whatever it is. That will depend on the court's discretionary power based on the supportive evidences and all the documents, everything. Because if any property is registered, there will be all every document will be with the registrar. So all these documents are public documents which can easily be ascertained by the authorities or by any third party who can go to the court and explain if there was any sort of illegal way of transferring of the properties, if it has taken place. So I think it will be too early to see as to what happens in near future. But definitely the allegations are very serious, and obviously since we are into a democratic country, and all these transactions are very crucial and important if it takes place. And people in our through our
Yes.
constitution have every right to know as to what has happened, whether all the authorities are functioning as per the laws. Are they really following the rules and regulations, or all these rules and regulations have become only for the common people? So obviously that's a very serious issue.
Okay.
I think it should take its own course in due course of time. I think something will come out of it.
Okay.